Okay, here we have Greg, our owner, here at Citrus Fresh, reattaching this carpet as well as the rug pad underneath it from some AC damage. It leaked all into the carpet and created a lot of water. Once we removed all the water, we pulled up the carpet and here we are stretching it back.
And I'm gonna get this all back down from around the baseboard. And the pad. Gonna stretch that into place.
Alright, so after the carpet stretching done by our owner Greg, we have our crew leader Matt coming in and going ahead and doing a low moisture carpet clean. Wow, look at that difference.
Hi, my name's Matt. I'm with Citrus Fresh, the crew leader here. We just got done stretching this room, and after we get done stretching a room, we always like to clean it. The process we did right here was a low moisture cleaning, a bonnet cleaning. The reason why I like to do that is because it's a lot of weight, and it's actually going to iron out the carpet, and it's going to make it nice and flat after we just got done stretching it, and it's going to make it really pop and look great.